at LNP Haircare today. I've been rocking this bob for a while if you've been following me on Instagram, but it's time to let the bob go and, you know, start something new. So I actually came to LNP to get this bob styled, cut, custom for me. She also made sure my base under the wig was good. I have my hair braided down, it was washed, conditioned, and moisturized. But it's time to give my natural hair some TLC. So today we're gonna be taking the wig off. We're gonna be also washing, conditioning, giving me a light trim, and just making sure my hair is healthy. And we're gonna be showing you some great products along the journey.
Hey guys, we are back with another video. We are here with Nate today, and I'm just getting her prepped and ready to take down her braids. I know this was such a relief for her, as you can see by her facial expression. So I'm just gonna cut her thread and start taking them out.
So we've taken out my McMillies. Y'all know what McMillies are. So it's time for a wash and condition. Oh my gosh. If I thought this was the good part. Okay, all right, let's go.
Now on to the best part, which is the shampoo. Yeah, gotta make sure you get all the way in that scalp.
So we're conditioning. I have conditioner on my hair right now, and as you can see, I still have a lot of permed or relaxed pieces. So I guess this is what you're about to call a big chop. But as you can, like, I've prolonged this process for a while. For a year I've been transitioning because I just wanted my natural hair to grow out, you know, to a good length where cut all the, you know, permed edges off, that I still have a nice little fro. Finally letting go of the relaxed pieces today.
So here's the blow drying portion of this process. As you can see, she has really thick hair. One of my favorite products to use is my Silk Press Serum, which I applied it evenly throughout each section. Applying my heat protectant so I can begin the cutting and also the straightening part. Now I'm going to trim her ends and begin straightening. We actually decided not to cut off all the relaxed ends. We're just going to cut it off as it grows out, but I did cut a good bit of it. As you can see, look how much body it has, and I'm not even done yet. And now I'm gonna wrap it and prepare her to get under the dryer. But first I'm gonna apply the saran wrap. And as before, as I always tell you, get your clients to assist you with this part. And I'm gonna sit her under the dryer for a few minutes.
So guys, my scalp and my hair feels amazing. Y'all saw the scratching, all the combing, all the washing. So I sat under the dryer with some wrap around my head for about 5 minutes. So the takedown, here we go.
Now for the comb out. Hair is so full of body. And if you guys are interested in purchasing my silk press serum, you can definitely visit the website, which is www.lnphaircare.com. See you guys in the next video.